Imagine your dream vehicle taking shape, not just as an idea, but as a precisely engineered 3D design, ready to transition from concept to production with the support of a dedicated team. Welcome to Technikol. I'm Peter, and together with my team, we turn ideas like yours into 3D reality. We develop fully customized chassis and suspension designs, the essential groundwork for projects like race cars, ATVs, specialized electric vehicles, or even trailers. Whether you're looking for a one-time consultation, detailed design work, or end-to-end manufacturing support, we are able to offer you tailored solutions that meet your specific needs. Our three-phase design process begins by transforming your idea into a detailed 3D concept. This allows for your insights to shape the foundation of the project at an early stage of the development. In the second phase, we incorporate all aftermarket components and begin optimizing the design for manufacturing. Finally, we polish every detail, creating a comprehensive, ready-for-production blueprint. With our dynamic design features, adjustments can be made at any stage of the development, ensuring your vision is fully realized down to the smallest detail. With Technikol, you're shaping more than just a design. You're building efficiency, performance, and precision into every part. Ready to turn your idea into reality? Request a consultation with me today or get in touch with us directly to explore your project in more detail.